Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need the right prerequisites now. A server that supports mods and the matching client mod. Start by checking Aternos shows fabric or paper and the exact server version number. Next, download the simple voice chat JAR that matches both client and server versions and upload it into the servers/mods folder via the Aternos file manager. Once done, restart the server from the console. This initializes the mod and creates its config files. You're ready to move into configuration. Now configure networking so voice traffic flows. Open the mod's config on the server and set the voice port. Pick a high UDP port to avoid conflicts and choose UDP protocol for lower latency. Make sure NAT punch-through is enabled in the mod settings or configure router port forwarding for that UDP port if your host requires it. Also adjust Aternos server properties and any firewall rules to permit the chosen UDP port. Once configured, save and restart the server so changes. Finally, finish on the client side and validate. You must install the identical simple voice chat mod version on every player client, then grant microphone permission in-game and set input device and push-to-talk if desired. Join the server and verify the in-game voice indicator, speaking to test gain and volume. If you do not hear anyone, check the server and client logs for handshake errors, confirm the UDP port is reachable with a network tool, and recheck NAT or firewall settings. This troubleshooting step resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.